The drone shot reveals the full building more than just bricks and walls. This institution is a beacon of light for the Christian youth of Pakistan, helping them build a strong foundation for their future. The college billboard proudly displays the name, Rehaai College of Technology, empowering Christian youth through skills and faith, reminding everyone that this vision is not just an idea, but a movement shaping a new generation. As the camera enters through the main doors, it symbolizes how every student stepping inside is welcomed into a pathway of opportunity and dignity. The presentation hall showcases students delivering their ideas with confidence, turning thoughts into projects and projects into real success. In the lecture halls, experienced teachers invest not only knowledge but character, leadership, and purpose into each young mind. The modern computer lab highlights the college's commitment to practical, high-quality skill development, AI, programming, and digital learning shaped to meet global standards. The library stands as a hub of wisdom, where students quietly build their dreams through study, reflection, and creativity. Finally, the shots of students completing their projects display the heart of Rehaai's mission, preparing skilled, confident,